Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? Street Trading coming at you yet again with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at an hourly chart of BBY, Best Buy Consumer Cyclical Sector. Let's get right in it. So, market had a little bit of a bloodbath yesterday. Headlines, whatever. It really doesn't matter. Obviously, last week we had that the new variant coming out of South Africa, which made the market take quite the cut in Friday session. Monday had that nice that bull trap dead cat bounce. The boys took it up, and then yesterday they slammed it right back down. Now they're blaming Powell for his hawkish remarks about bonds. And at the end of the day, guys, listen, you can follow headlines as they get released, but obviously look a little deeper into the market, look a little deeper into the moves that you see unfold, and build your own outlook, your own perspective, and see where price wants to go. At the end of the day, market moves supply, demand, supply, rinse and reverse. Where's price going? All right, price action always comes before whatever catalyst, whatever headline gets printed, right? So think about that, or gets released. Think about that. So anyway, going into yesterday's session, we had a number of solid securities with a crystal clear plan as to when and where we were going to get involved. Best Buy was on our list. Best Buy, we laid it out pretty crystal clear in our Trade Ideas video. If you haven't had a look, go check that out. Obviously too late now, but you can see how we do it. And this unfolded as we had planned for, and it gave us what we wanted to see. So, textbook got rejected at key levels. So anyway, let's get into how we traded the thing. We scaled into it after we saw what we needed to see. Again, we can go into each session having a crystal clear plan, and none of it's going to work, right? Nothing prints and gives us what we want to see, and therefore you don't trade. That's the discipline. That's the hardest. In our opinion, that's the hardest part of trading, is actually not trading. The discipline of waiting for what you need to see, and if you do not see it, you don't put on risk. That's the discipline, guys. Just because the market's ripping to the upside or the downside, you didn't plan for it. If you're not, ready for it, and you didn't have a crystal clear trade plan for it, what are you doing? You're just hopping in, and yeah, you could be right, but what is that? You're not building a career just hopefully being right. All right, that's not how it goes, guys. You're gonna have a short-lived career. Listen, you can get lucky and take your profits here and there, but you can't build anything that way. You want to attack the market in a way where you're prepared. You're if this then that. I need to see this. If this happens, I will do that. If it doesn't happen, I don't do anything. Right? So anyway, we get into the trade. We scaled into it, key levels, and we scaled out of it. It didn't give us everything that we needed. There was a couple levels we were looking at. First level got breached. It worked nicely. Second level, a little ambitious, but at the end of the day, guys, price wants to go to a particular direction. Doesn't mean it's going to make it there in your session, or therefore after the session. But nonetheless, pay yourself along the way, and stay in the saddle until the market tells you that either the trade is wrong or that's it for the session, right? So anyway, let's get into how we got in this thing, where we got in, our game plan, and the management of the position overall. All right, guys, let's get down to business.